Meet the Ledbetters, fifth-generation music lovers. Polk Omni Wireless Music System means the Ledbetters enjoy great sound in every room of their house wirelessly. In the den, the Ledbetters enjoy the signature Polk sound easily without wires. With Voice Adjust, they hear dialogue like never before. Uncle Jeb gets maximum music love even while grooming the family shrub. The Ledbetters' music never sits still. Ford jams out back for hours. Even the old boys get in on the new technology. And the family's classic audio system keeps on playing. Play-Fi takes the music where it's wanted. Streaming technology sends music from phones, tablets, and computers with no loss in quality to any room. The Polk Omni app makes it simple to set up, link, and control speakers and add any Play-Fi powered speakers later. So Pauline, Ford, and Violet can each listen to their own music in any room. And when Grandma's really feeling it, the whole family is treated to the same music perfectly synchronized in every room of the house. Every Ledbetter can listen to music from their favorite music services or tens of thousands of internet radio stations. The legacy of the music-loving Ledbetters promises to continue for generations. The first great-sounding wireless music system is here.